Colonel Achika po is the group commander of the VP-SPG, and he is not an employee of the OVP, but he has an order coming from the AFP designating him as the group commander for the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group.
Therefore, designation.
There
You're
is an
saying he is not employed. He does not have any employment status in the office of the Vice President.
Yes po, Your Honor.
That's all I wanted to know, Mr. President. Thank you.
Point well taken, Senator Judge Soto. Next to interject is Senator Erwin Tulfo. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ginoong Testigo, nabasa niyo po ba na mabuti at naintindihan ang nilalaman ng Joint Memorandum Circular, sir?
Good morning, sir. Yes, Your Honor, I was able to read it, and based on my understanding, I was able to understand the contents of the JMC.
Nung kayo po ay pinadalahan na ng Notice of Disallowance ng COA, nabasa niyo rin po ba kung bakit kayo po pinadalahan ng Notice of Disallowance? Kailangan niyo pong sagutin yung kanilang AOM.
Yes po, for the 2022 and 2023.
2022. So naintindihan po ninyo na sinasabi doon ng COA na while confidential funds allow for the payment of rewards to civilian information, yung COA po has ruled that this cannot be structured as broad distribution of medicines, food, grocery packs, or household goods. And that kung ito po ay reward, dapat po specific targeted financial payouts lamang po at hindi po pwedeng ibili ng mga gamot o ng mga upuan bilang reward. Naintindihan niyo po ba yun?
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, that is the initial observation coming from the COA, and we were able to provide comment on that on our replies.
Tama. Pero alam niyo po ba ng Office of the Vice President is a civilian office? Ibig sabihin, hindi po sila military, therefore, hindi po sila maaaring mag-possess ng formal national security or law enforcement mandate. Sabi po ng COA guidelines, sir, again, specifically, the operational intelligence gathering is the domain of military, police, and specialized enforcement bodies. Hindi po kasama ang VP PSPG po roon. Did you know that?
Sir, based on my understanding, sir, sa pagkakaintindi ko po sa JMC is that the confidential funds is allowed for civilian agencies, sir, and in coordination with the different law enforcing agencies. Yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko
Yun
po.
po ang pagkakaintindi ho ninyo. Pero iba po yung sinasabi po ng COA sa inyo. Kaya po kayo may notice of disallowance. Kaya po sinasabi ng COA at ini-issue po sa inyo formal notice of disallowance na 73.3 million ng OVP December 2020 to confidential spending. Yung pang dahilan na major reason for this allowance was the 24.93 million pesos spent on medicines and 34.857 million spent on various goods were improperly categorized under the guise of intelligence rewards. Alam niyo po ba yun? Kaya pinadalhan po kayo ng COA, sir.
Sir, based on what I can recall po, sir, on the notice of disallowance that was sent to our office, what they required, sir, was that the submission of an intelligence report to support the payment of those rewards. So yun po yung pagkakaintindi ko regarding sa letter.
So nakita po ninyo na may problem, sir. May problem. Kaya kayo pinagpapaliwanag.
There is an issue po, sir, that we needed
There's
to
an
comply.
issue. Okay. Panghuli na lamang, Mr. Presiding Officer, one last question. So, sino po
You may
mga
proceed.
nag-imbento at saan galing yung mga alias po na yun? Is that Colonel La Chica o sa grupo ninyo, sila Chippy McDonald, sila Pusa, Aso, etc. May sila Pagong. Who invented those?
Sir, I do not know, sir. Number one, sir, I cannot answer, sir, if invented, sir. But As to the AR, sir, I cannot provide information, sir, because I do not have any participation in the implementation of the confidential activities.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. Presiding officer, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Pangilinan is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.
Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga, Ginoong Ortonio.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, pwede nyo bang ipaliwanag yung naging proseso, no? Dahil base sa testimonya ni Acosta, ni Ginang Acosta at sa inyo, yung testimonya nyo, from December 2022 to September 2023, a total of 122 million pesos in cash was distributed to perhaps hundreds of informants after doing surveillance work, was given rewards, and they purchased medicines. Tama po?
Based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer,
That's
sir.
correct. Yun yung nangyari.
Based on the information, sir.
Bakit gamot? Would you know?
Sir, I would not know, sir, but although based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer, those were parang yun po yung representation or yun daw po yung inilapit ng mga informants or agents that they needed at the time.
Bilang reward.
Yes, as a
Pero
form
pera
of-
ang binigay, sabi ninyo. No?
Yes, sir.
Pero
Based-
hindi nyo alam kung talagang gamot ang binili.
I would
Dahil-
have no idea, sir, on the implementation, sir.
Dahil walang resibo. Acknowledgement receipt meron.
Acknowledgement receipt, sir.
You were head of the BA, the BAC, no? Bids and Awards.
Bids and awards.
So
committee,
familiar
sir.
ka, pagka regular purchases, dapat may bidding ang medicines.
Correct, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, kung yun ang pinaliwanag sa'yo, sa loob ng 9 na buwan, hindi mo ba tinanong o hindi mo ba sinita na dapat pagka medicines, dapat bidding? Kasi ako ang head ng Bids and Awards. Alam ko yan eh.
Sir, I was only made aware of the concern regarding the medicines and food supplies, sir, when the AOM, when we received the AOM, which was around October of 2023, sir. So that was parang almost 9 months after the 2022 na implementation for the confidential funds.
Okay. So, hindi mo alam kung bakit gamot, no? Sinabi lang sa'yo, no? Pero bilang in charge ng financial services, yun na nga, hindi mo rin talaga alam kung yung 122 million ay gamot ang binili.
For that purpose, sir, I would have no personal
Yes.
knowledge, sir.
At sa usapin naman ng supplies, sabi, purchase of supplies. Anong supplies yun? Would you know?
I do not know of, I'm not familiar, sir, kung ano po yung mga supplies na
So
ni-request.
hindi mo rin
po, sir.
alam na yung 112 million pesos worth of goods. Anong goods yun?
Again, sir, I would have no personal knowledge, sir, on the specifics of the supplies, sir.
You know, you have 2 master's degrees. You're a graduate of Ateneo. Would you consider this usual?
As far as sa
I
pagkaka...
mean, now that you know, di ba sabi nga nila, hindsight, 2020. Vision is always 2020 in hindsight. So ganitong para sa surveillance, binigyan ng gamot na 122 million, yung mga informant, sila na lang daw ang bibili ng gamot. Is this usual? In terms of using government funds? And
based,
you being a BAC head?
based on my understanding po, sir, at saka sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, it went through the process that is allowable by law. So
So it's
yun-
usual for you. It's
Um,
usual. That's just my question. Do you find this usual? And you say yes or no. So you find this process na medicines ang binibigay bilang reward sa mga informant pero hindi medicines, pera, sila bibili ng medicines, 122 million in a period of 9 months. For you, that's usual.
Kung sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, and based po sa understanding ko po sa JMC, sir, I would say so, sir.
Okay. No further questions at this time, sir.
Thank you. With the permission of the next in line is Senator Judge Tulfo, but with your permission, Honorable Tulfo, thereafter, Senator Villanueva, the Senate President, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lacson. The 10 minutes of Attorney May is up. Attorney May, can you now proceed with your redirect? Again, without prejudice to Attorney Christine asking for a similar time for her recross, should she require it?
Good morning.
Attorney May,
ulit,
you may
Mr.
proceed when you're ready.
Good morning, Mr. Antonio.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Kanina, on cross-examination, sinabi mo na sa pagkakaalam mo, hindi required na i-attach ang PFP sa request for confidential funds. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Okay. Now, may we confront you with Section 3.24 of the Joint Circular 2015-01. Can you kindly read it for
may
the record?
approach and show the witness the JC 2015-01, the relevant provision thereof.
Can you kindly read for the record what 3.24 of the Joint Circular states?
3.24 Physical and Financial Plan refers to the plan approved by the head of office in the case of NGAs and LGUs and by the board of directors in the case of GOCCs supporting the request for funds for CE and IE containing the estimated amount per project, activity, and program.
Nabasa niyo po ba yan bago kayo sumagot kanina? Familiar po kayo sa provision na yan?
I have to be honest, ma'am, na I cannot remember this one, ma'am.
Okay. Ngayon, hindi rin ikaw ang nagpadala or nag-prepare ng October 22, 2022 letter. Tama ba?
Sorry, ma'am.
Hindi rin ikaw ang nagpadala
ng
August 22, 2022